So this is what it looks like. Looks like a chicken tender, honestly. I mean, chicken finger.
What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
I went to Wegmans today, and I seen that they had some crispy tenders, and I wanted to try it out, man. Crispy chicken tenders, vegan edition by Gardein. So I decided to pick this up. And you can't have chicken tenders without curly fries. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give y'all my honest taste test of this. The oven's already preheated, and yeah, we're gonna get right into this. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a chicken tender, honestly. I mean, chicken finger. We're gonna see what it tastes like. Soy protein, wheat flour, oats, yeast extract, potato starch, a whole bunch of stuff, man. It doesn't matter what's inside of it, it matters how it tastes. So we're gonna put this in the oven, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like once it's finished. Y'all stay tuned. Yo, if you're watching this video right now, be sure to subscribe. We're trying to get 500 subscribers by Christmas.
What are you talking about?
All right, guys, the oven is beeping. It's time for this food to go in there, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in there. Open sesame. One, we're gonna go ahead and get this. Put that in there. Now directions say about 20 minutes until it's done. So I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. Y'all stay tuned.
20 minutes later.
20 minutes later, smelling like chicken tenders and fries. Let's go ahead and take a look, shall we? Oh, man. Ooh, wee. Oh, don't throw it to him. I'm sliding off the pan, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Chicken tenders and curly fries. So I'm about to plate this up and I'm gonna try it, man. You know what I'm saying? All right. So we got our curly fries and we got our Gardein crispy tenders. I'm gonna give you my honest taste test of this. Before I give you a taste test, I need you to hit that subscribe button so we can get 500 subscribers before Christmas. All right, here we go. Look like a chicken tender. Let me go ahead and just break it and see what it looks like. Okay. So you can tell that's not like real meat. But then again, it doesn't look that bad. Let's try it with some ketchup. Wow. That really tastes like a chicken tender, like all jokes aside. Wow. It got that crispy texture. That's crazy, man. That actually tastes like a chicken tender. You can tell it's not a real chicken tender. They did a damn good job of making this a vegan crispy chicken tender, man. So I would definitely recommend this. And honestly, I want to start buying this. Gardein chicken tenders, man. Damn. Let me know if you guys ever tried this. Comment down below if you tried this. I remember as a kid, man, I used to always get chicken tenders and fries. Anytime you go to any restaurant, before I was vegan, it's always like, you don't know what you're gonna get, you get the chicken tenders and fries. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next video.
What are you talking about?